Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix keyboard making beeping noise when typing in Windows. First method is click Start, Settings, click Accessibility, click Keyboard. Turn off sticky keys, filter keys, and toggle keys. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand keyboards, right-click Keyboard, click UDPAT Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Click Search for update drivers on Windows Update. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand keyboards, right-click Keyboard, click Properties, click Power Management. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.